said that I shouldn't feel anything. Yahweh, you said that you never ever lie. Yahweh, you are the word that gives life. Yahweh, you are the source that never dries up. You said that I shouldn't feel anything. You said that you never ever lie. Yahweh, you are the word that gives life. Yahweh, you are the source that never dries up. Yahweh, you are the word that gives life. Yahweh, you are the source that never dries up. Yahweh, you are the word that gives life. Yahweh, you are the source that never dries up. Yahweh, you are the word that gives life. Yahweh, you are the source that never dries up. Yahweh, you are the word that gives life. Yahweh, you are the source that never dries up. Yahweh. In the grand symphony of existence, Jesus, the eternal word of life, became flesh. The divine embraced the mortal, illuminating the world with a timeless love.